continent. uThixo wasibeka in this continent. So we want to appreciate your guidance, Tata. Want to appreciate your resilience, your strength, and your drive that Africa in its entirety must be transformed. And I want to call upon Zonke servants. Let us follow the lead of uTata wethu. Let us be disciplined like amajoni. Once there's an order that comes from your commander, the only thing that you do as a soldier, it is to do and die. That is the level of discipline that we need. Because without discipline, there can never be any revolution. Without discipline, there can never be any fundamental change we can have in our country. Thank you so much. Peace in our land.